This Photoshop curves hack is the fastest way to match your subject's color to the background. It's like a freaking cheat code. Make sure to click that subscribe button. I'll see you in Photoshop. Alright, we're in Photoshop. We got a pretty cool looking composite going on, but the subject's color and the background color really don't line up. So let's fix that. With our subject layers selected, we're going to head down to our adjustment layers, create a curves adjustment layer. We'll right click, create a clipping mask so that it's only going to affect our subject. And then we'll select the curves thumbnail. Now in the properties panel, we'll hold down Alt or Option and click on Auto, and we'll choose Find Dark and Light Colors. We'll choose our shadow color, the darkest point or shadow color of our background. Click OK, and do the same with the highlights. Find a brighter point in the clouds here. Now our subject is matching our background quite well. Click OK. And we'll choose no, as we do not want to save these new colors as the defaults for this operation in the future. And now with our subject matching our background, we can now use this RGB curve to adjust the contrast on our subject while maintaining the colors that we have just matched to. And there you go, matching colors, subject, background, subject. Works both ways. This is literally the first cheat code that I try now before diving down any technical rabbit holes and wasting a lot of time that may not need to be spent. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to create more, say less, and I'll see you in the next one.